Good afternoon, welcome back to Expat Crib. My name is Ian, and today I have a super special apartment to show you. This is a duplex apartment, really close to Mall Santa Fe. It's what everyone dreams of renewing or renovating. It's a 3-bedroom, 136 square meter apartment, I believe. All right, here we go. So, let's check out this view first. Really beautiful view. You have a city skyline view here. Again, as I said, this is a duplex apartment. You're gonna see in a second here. The high ceilings. Okay, this would be a very, very easy remodel too. Most likely, right behind that wall there, we have the kitchen. Let's go take a look. This wall could be opened up, and the kitchen, you can see right here. Sorry, there's no energy in the apartments today. The people are trying to sell it. They're highly negotiable. Not crazy negotiable, but they're negotiable on the price of this apartment. Again, it's approximately 136 square meters. And they are asking, I will put the price at the end screen, but they are asking a fair price, I believe, for this area. But again, they are negotiable. And what I love is you've got access 2 ways to get out to the patio here, as you can see. Okay. So, right here, big kitchen. This is the back space here, which actually you could move the kitchen to this back space. This is the typical maid's quarters here, okay? But this could be made into a pantry, or what you could do is move part of the kitchen back to this area right here, which a lot of people would probably do. And you've got your hot water heater there. That's not the typical hot water heater here. They have the gas instant hot water heaters here, not the old tanks. So, but that's easy to put in, not a problem. Again, we will walk through, check out this view again. And then on the bottom floor here, you have a bedroom, which could double as office space. Plenty of room, and then your social bathroom is right here. And then you've got a closet space right here, just under the stairs. And now we'll go upstairs. And check out the rest of this apartment. Really nice space up here. What I love about this space is you've got 2 views. Okay, so right over here, you have your city skyline view. And then over towards this way is Envigado. But as I said, you're only a few minutes away walking, probably 7 or 8 minutes to Mall Santa Fe, so really close. So very desirable area. This is Los Balsos, the neighborhood, which I featured in one of the neighborhood walking videos. So here is your, I guess, 2nd bedroom, very similar to the one downstairs. Looks like the same size. And then over here, you've got, again, same layout. You've got your social bathroom right here. And then right over here, you've got your principal or master bedroom. Really nice size. And it's got its own Juliet balcony there, as you can see. This is a unit that will go really fast, just came on the market. The people are selling it and they're building a home outside of the city. So they really want to sell this apartment. Principal bedroom, washroom. It even has a tub, as you can see right there. And ample room in this bedroom, as you can see. Let's take another look off the Juliet balcony here in the master or the principal bedroom. Also, this building has 24-hour security, really good security, and it also has entertainment plaza with a pool, a meeting room, kids play area. Really nice pool, actually. We'll take a look just down below here so you can see super high ceilings here. Let's take one last look downstairs. Really nice size patio here, as you can see, or balcony, I guess it would be. And we'll take one last look at the kitchen here. Again, I believe this whole wall here could be opened up. Really nice light in this apartment. All right, so this is Ian from Expat Crib. I hope you've enjoyed this little tour of this duplex apartment really close to Mall Santa Fe. Remember, if you have any questions, we will put a link below in the description with all the specifications of the apartment, and you can contact us through our website at expatcrib.com/contact. This is Ian from Expat Crib, and we'll see you in the next video.